how to put a bullet point in Google Slides. Now, putting a bullet point on Google Slides is actually quite simple. Let's say inside your presentation, you have happened to have a certain amount of text, and then you want to add a bullet point to it, right? Well, to add a bullet point, all you have to do is just select that text. So once you've selected this text right here, I want to add a bullet point. At the top right hand side, you can see the dotted bullets and the numbered bullet list. So depending upon which one I want, I can simply select that and I can select a dotted bullet list if I want to. Or if I want a numbered one, I can select the numbered one. Now instead of using this, you can also use a keyboard shortcut, which is the Control Shift and the 8 key. So Control Shift 8 on Windows. And if you're using Mac, you want to substitute Control for Command, which would be Command Shift and 8. And when you press these particular shortcuts, you will get the bullet points, and again pressing it will remove the bullet points. And this is how you put bullet points on Google Slides. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.